Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're absolutely fantastic. So, I had a bit of a laugh when I went across to my previous post submitted 2 days ago. All right. So, again, on TradingView, you can't edit the post once it's up. There's no Photoshop, there's no lying. It's just cold, hard results. And also recorded and kept inside a library for any back testing for the skeptics, which is great because I think that there's a lot of guys on other social media platforms that you can't really validate their results as it's just hyped up reels and TikToks and short form sensational videos or live streams that are taken down. So the fact that TradingView does keep a library that you can't edit or manipulate is pretty cool. And again, 2 days ago, what I'd said back when price was here somewhere, that price is going to go up and then move away from where it is in this kind of fashion and then move up to the target zone. So again, more than 48 hours later, look at exactly what happened. Like, that's pretty impressive. So I said it's going to get up to there in a previous post. It stopped there. From that point, I looked at two possible scenarios, either making a lower low or continuing up. I said that for it to continue up, it had to etch across the chart, and then I drew that little squiggle, and I said to finish off in the target zone. So, yep, I don't want to get too egotistical about it, but you got to pat yourself on the back when you're able to forecast the future without it being there with the level of accuracy at what as to what I've acquired, and also always backed up with like really strong and solid reasoning. A lot of the poor souls that haven't learned the markets but have a big following, their posts and their it makes me cringe. I just feel badly for them. Almost like a parent who sees their teenager going through the notions of, bumping their head and making the wrong mistakes and that sort of thing. And I just hope that these guys turn around at some point and actually learn how true market operates. The markets truly operate, should I rather say? And look at that candle going up into my prediction. I don't want to get excited, but it's pretty exciting stuff. Okay, so I said it's going to do something similar to that, and that's exactly what happened. So if you would like to do this for yourself, good news for you. Incoming shameless self promotion. I do have a paid course because once upon a day, 5 years ago, my school friends reached out to me and they asked me to teach them about crypto. So I said, okay, well, let me just put this onto video because I can't keep on teaching every single person the same material over and over. It'll drive me mad. And those videos kind of went from one person to the next. And I thought, well, this is super valuable. So yeah, I've got a paid course that has really changed the game. It's taking guys who are just semi-interested in markets, not really knowing what to do with them. Like, what is this? Like, they'll go around to like Thanksgiving dinners and try explain this to their friends and family, and they'll be like, maybe the uncle-in-law would say, tell me about this thing with the squiggles on the screen. And they're like, well, it's kind of like buy low and sell high stuff. You can make money from it, I guess. So I've taken guys from that level, not knowing how to even put in an order, right through to funded with prop firms, which is one of the most difficult things you can achieve. So I've taken from nothing to something. I don't want to say from zeros to heroes, but you kind of get the idea. So if you're looking to level up your trading, if you're tired of losing, if you're tired of the frustration, there are solutions that actually work. And I don't know how much more evidence you need. That's all there in the library. Go take a look. And there's literally, I think, 845 other examples of how I've forecasted the market ahead of time before the markets happen, which is obviously how you make your money. So reach out to me if you'd like to learn this. In terms of doing analysis, I don't necessarily want to get into it right now because it's basically been the same thing for the last 2 days or the last 5 or 6 videos. And we're just waiting for it to transpire. So once this fully forms, I will then, one second, let me just get back to this. Once it's fully transformed, then I will see where the next high will be, maybe make a mild adjustment. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, you should be as well. So where the next high will be, and from there I'll be able to forecast with high accuracy where the next low turning point is, which is the bottom, and then moving on its way up. Since this video is a bit long, I'm going to make it even longer and just say, guys, the if you are able to do this one thing, all right, there's many things you have to master, but overall, if you could boil it down to this one thing, if you're able to just merely trade in trend and let the position run itself out, then you'll be profitable. Okay, statistically speaking, 95% of traders aren't profitable. I mean, can you believe that? That's crazy. So I'm a part of the 5%, or maybe the top 1% even, that is able to do what I do. But for the majority, if they could just do this one thing, and that is to catch the correct bottom or the correct turning point, high or low. You can trade both sides of the market, but catch the correct bottom at least, and then just trade with trend. So that means as if you enter a little bit late and exit a little bit early, you're still profitable just by doing that one thing, trading with trend. All right. Then that's how you grow your account. Just if you had to do one thing, trade only with trend and just let it cook. So how do you determine what trend looks like? Well, you determine the correct positioning of the highs and lows and just stick with it. And then once the position gets to your take profit and closes, or you've taken profit along the way, whatever else you like to do, then just wait for the next turning point. If you know how to short the market, which my course will teach you to do, you just write it down. And then again, trade with trend. Just simply trade with trend. And how you trade with trend is through the mechanism. Very simple, very clean, very good looking chart like this. Simple mechanism. Not overcomplicated, not noisy, not filled up with oscillators and unbalanced volume stuff over here, and all these weird lines and these kind of clouds and green and red circles and all this kind of weird stuff. Just nice, clean, clinical, produces results, and you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profit coming in. Before I jump off, I see that this number is growing quite significantly in terms of notifications. I'm always glad to see it's not some silly, boring update. Because sometimes when I click on there, I think I've gone somewhere else now. I click on the icon and it goes like, "What's new?" I'm like, don't bore me with what's new. Some stupid unknown exchange is connected again to TradingView, which isn't hard to do because they have an API. So I'm like, oh, please don't be a what's new, because it's never anything of value. So when I see its notifications, I get really excited. And I just want to say a shout out to Trade Zone. Said, okay, I don't know if I should even say the names, because that's generated by TradingView sometimes and they can't be pronounced. But guys, thank you so much for the love. Thanks for getting involved. Again, cool, TradingView commented on, yeah, thanks for sharing your thoughts and approach. This publication has been chosen for the editor's pick and will be featured on the homepage. Oh yeah, and I got 200 coins from TradingView. Hells yes. Oh, that's super cool. Well, my day is made. Well, welcome to everyone. If you come across this post, I hope you're excited about it. And with that, I say, have a great day. I'll definitely do another backup or end of day update. And until then, ciao for now.